you are interested in installing Raspberry Pi OS onto a virtual machine, all you have to do is visit RasperryPi.org. Once there, go to Computers, Software. On this page, you're going to scroll down till you see Raspberry Pi for desktop. Clicking here, and it should automatically detect what you're using, and then just click Download. Save the file. Once it's finished downloading, you're going to open your VirtualBox. Go New. Give it the name Raspberry Pi. And for the type, it's going to be Linux. Version, we're going to scroll all the way down to other Linux 64 bits. Next, I like to give them a little bit more memory than that. Hard disk the same, disk the same, dynamic storage the same. This is going to be the hard drive size. I'm going to give it just a little bit more, about 12 gigabytes. Once the hardware is created for the virtual machine, go to Settings, Storage, Empty, and click on the blank CD to open up. And we're going to go to Choose a Disk. We're going to look for the ISO image. So once you select the ISO image you just downloaded, you're going to click OK. And then click Start. Persistence. And there you go, you now have Raspberry Pi loaded into a virtual machine. The first time it loads, it's going to go through the setup process for you. I'm going to click Next. United States, English, time zone, area, keyboard. Next. And there's a default user account of Pi, a default password already in it. For safety's sake, change Next to activate it, and then this time settings. Next. Let's type it again. The first thing it's going to do is check for updates, apparently. Next. pulses. Okay, it's finished checking for updates, and so we're going to come back over here, and we'll click done, and you now have a Raspberry Pi image for you to play with on a virtual machine if you're curious. Thank you guys, and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to see.